What's going on, guys? Today I'm going to do a little special video today. I'm going to be showing you how to install any custom kind of foot pedals you have for your E46. It could be any 3 series available. I actually went to M Parts Worldwide and I picked up these really cool pedals here. So this is actually for the coupe, but I got it for a very cheap price, so I went ahead and got them. Basically what we're going to be doing is we're going to use a drill gun in order to drill holes into all of those there in order to fit these pedals on. Again, I got them from M Parts Worldwide. I highly recommend you guys go there. They supply you with a couple screws and bolts here. We're gonna go ahead and I'm gonna show you how to install this. Let's do it. So today I'm gonna be using a DeWalt drill gun. Basically what you wanna do, if you have a set of boxes here, find the right size obviously to fit into these holes. Just test fit them, put them on, make sure exactly what you wanna do. I'm gonna show you how to do that right now. Alright guys, so first thing you want to do, what I like to do, is lay everything out so you know exactly where everything is. There's a lot of parts that come with this and may come with your pedal set. Once everything is all set out, you have your drill gun right here. Make sure you find the right size drill. I'm using this size drill over here. It doesn't say a size, but make sure it fits your exact hole that you're going for and fits all the screws. So just go ahead and do it and I'll show you how in the next clip.
So the first thing I do is align the pedal and drill my first hole. Once I do drill my first hole, I'm going to take the washer and the screw provided, put that into the first hole that I did make so that way I know where I want it to be aligned more or so. Then after I do that, I drill a second hole while the first screw is in so that way I get a perfect alignment. Basically, you're going to repeat the process for the other 2 pedals. There's always going to be a rubber cover over the clutch and the brake pedal. Just make sure to take those off. Now, I did have trouble with the middle one because that was actual full steel, so I had no tools to break through that. So I just did it on the clutch pedal and it came out really perfect, as you can see there. Obviously the screws hanging out in the back, but you could always modify that. And for the footrest, I actually just used super glue to glue it to the actual footrest because that was steel as well and I could not get through it. But overall, it came out to a super good look. And I hope you guys enjoyed the video and find it helpful. If you have any questions, you can comment. Please make sure to subscribe and let me know what you want to see next. Cheers!